My peoples, today, very exciting. Today it's all about luminosity. I don't even know if that's a word, but you know what I'm saying. Brightness, people, visibility on the e-bike. So what I've done is I've gone out and I've spent about $80. I'll include links. And I bought 3 Amazon accessories that you can get for yourself. And together, they give you tremendous visibility, okay? So here we go. First things first. I got this really cool little backup camera, like a rear view camera. And you can see it shows what's behind me, which is my garage right now. And then it's got a little camera right here that you mount very easily. And it shows you what's behind you. See, I'm behind the camera right now. You can see it. That's me on there. So anyway, what's really cool about it, it has night vision. That's right, night vision. So when you're going at night, you can still see. It's unbelievable. It needs a very little amount of light. So that's badass. That's so much better than like a mirror, you know? You can see like literally what's behind you. It's got a 145-degree view, which is so much better than a mirror, you know? And then the second thing I bought was this little handy dandy number here. Let me show you. It's this right here. But let me real quick show you what you do. You press this and this at the same time. Let me do that. Alright, so you can see when it's just at standstill, it's just a light. It's not really flickering. It looks like it is because my camera seems to do that for some reason. But when you hit the button, hopefully you can see this okay. It goes to the left. Look. It goes to the left, showing a left blinker. And it goes to the right, showing a right blinker. And then you can just touch it to make it enlighten even more. And that's right here with this display. So left blinker, right blinker, touch this, and that gives you the brightness. Okay? And then the last thing I got is, oh my god, we're so bright today, people. The last thing I got is this right here. It's a battery operated strip that I just use these little zip ties that it came with to just zip tie it on here. It's this thing right here. You could literally put it just about anywhere. It's like the size of a small toothbrush. And I just mounted it on here. You could put it under here if you had double sticky tape. You could put it here, whatever. And it just projects these lights. And I don't know if you can see it right now. We'll turn it on at night, but let's see if you can see it now. You can see it? See? It's got that. It's got that. It's got that. And it just illuminates the ground, you know? And I was riding it last night, and it's freaking brilliant. So with that, with this, and with this, they're so freaking styling, people. So anyway, I'm very luminous at night, and we're going to take a look at what it looks like at night. Okay? Stay tuned. All right, I don't know if you can tell because the camera's pretty good at low light, but it's getting kind of dark out here. Like the sun went down like 20 minutes ago, so it's really kind of dusk. And you can see the camera goes from color to black and white, and it's showing what's behind me. So it's got like night vision, you know what I mean? Which is really badass. Sometimes it's in black and white at night, but at least you can see, you know, which is really freaking cool. So I'm gonna show you. You see my back tire going. So that's the real light right there. Look how bright this is. That cool. Yeah, I've got rocks in my And my gears, I gotta get my bike fixed. But anyway, that's what the noise is. But you can see that? I'm trying to keep it steady for you. That's how dark it is, and look how bright it is on here. Night vision, people, night vision. Okay, let's get this car coming. You see a car coming behind me. Okay. See a car coming? I know I have rocks in my freaking gear, so here's what it is, people. I can see the car coming. Lights and all. It just passed. So there you have it, people. How badass is that? And then you got this right here, down at the bottom. You know, isn't that cool? Green light. And then you got the light in the back. Alright, I just want you to see, it's really pretty dark out here, you know? And I got some lights back there, but I'm trying to stay away from the lights. Just want you to see how bright the green is. How cool is that? And then you can see, I hope you can see, there's a stupid branch in the way, but like, how bright the thing is in the back. The video, the picture in the back, what is it? How bright the light is in the back. You can see that it's left turn. Show you a right turn. Now it's right turn. Isn't that cool? You can see that's what it looks like outside, and this is what it looks like in this. Isn't that wild? You can totally see what's going on behind us. Infrared, not really. Night vision, people. Night vision. Badass.